Hey guys, it's Jess and welcome back to my channel. I am so excited about today's video. It is the first one of 2020 for me and it is going to be an extreme clean with me. So I'm going to get on into the cleaning. I always start off by making my bed first. It just helps me be so much more productive with all my other tasks I've got to tackle throughout the day. Okay, is it just me or am I the only one that has like 25 pillows on my bed? I love pillows. Like the more the better. My pillows probably take up half my bed. So leave down in the comments below if you're this way or not. Maybe this is normal, maybe it's not, I'm not sure. But if this is wrong, I really don't want to be right. So I'm just going to go ahead and get on into making my breakfast. Lately I have been obsessed with omelets and my favorite omelet has been with some green peppers, mushrooms, broccoli, and onions sauteed. So I just have them here. I'm going to cut them into small pieces, add some butter to my skillet, and cook these vegetables until they are soft and cooked through. Now that my vegetables are cooking, I'm just going to prep my eggs. In this bowl, I have 3 egg whites and 1 whole egg. I have really grown to love my eggs like this, so this is how I eat them every single morning. And while my vegetables are still cooking, I'm just going to get some dishes put up. So I'm just going to go ahead and just add my eggs on top of my vegetables and let my eggs cook until I can flip them. Okay guys, get ready for this flip. I'm so impressed with myself. I was 100% prepared to make a total mess of this, but I'm so excited that I actually pulled it off. Then lastly, I'm just going to add some cheese to the middle of it, flip it over, like half it, and I add some Parmesan cheese onto the top of my omelet, and this was so good. I absolutely loved it. So we don't drink pop in the house, and it might not be the healthy alternative, but we love Kool-Aid. So here I was just making up a pitcher of lemonade so we would have it throughout the day. Now I'm just back in my room trying to get things back in order. My room hasn't been very dirty, but it has been really messy. I still have a ton of stuff out from Christmas that I need to put up, and I have just been kind of moving it around my room and moving out of the way of places that I need to get. So I need to get it put up today. So this might be a really unpopular opinion, but I really love doing laundry. I cannot stand putting it up sometimes. I will let it sit on the end of my bed for a week before I'll even attempt to put it up, just because I just don't like it. I'm not a fan, but I love doing laundry. If I could do laundry and somebody put it up for me, I would do laundry all day long. So I have been using the Ginger Mango Method laundry detergent and fabric softener with the fragrant boosters, and I love it. It smells so good. So if you haven't tried, I would 100% recommend trying it. Like a bird on a tree. While my laundry's going, I'm just coming back to my room and going through my clothes and quickly grabbing out some stuff that I no longer wear or I know that don't fit me anymore, so I can get rid of it. Usually I like to take everything out of my closet and try on everything, see what I like, see what I don't wear anymore, and get rid of it like that. But there are just a few items that I knew I no longer wore, would not need, or didn't fit me.
It's so beautiful, you and me. We meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free. Sometimes you need to go, take a step back.
And I'm doing the same thing here and just grabbing out a few sweaters that I know I haven't worn forever.
From a distance you can tell.
I leave a complete mess in the bathroom of the mornings when I get ready, so I'm just going back and cleaning that up now and putting all the stuff that I pulled out this morning back in its place.
Forever free. You and me, meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free.
So we are finally on my last task on my to-do list, and that is just to pick up and dust the living room. I'm so excited I got all this done today, and it just feels so nice to have the house clean. I also want to tell you guys all my cleaning products today came from Grove Collaborative. They are an amazing cleaning subscription box that you are 100% in control of. This is not sponsored in any way. I just absolutely love the company and their products, and how amazing they are to their customers. And to add to that, they give their first time customers a free 5-piece Mrs. Meyers set. So if you'd like to claim yours, just use that link below in my description box. So thank you all so much for watching my video. It absolutely means the world to me. And if you have made it to the end of this video, please in the comment leave your favorite emoji, and it'll just let me know that you guys made it this far. But I will see you all in the next video, and I hope you guys have an amazing day.